Hello guys, welcome back again. Let's start with our next indicator TG Go V5. Uh, right. So this is used now again. Used a Euro USD Forex market. Let me test a specific indicator for you and Forex market how it works, how you have to take entry exit positions. So I will be explaining you for same. Right. So here you can see you will get it's based on I can say super trend and here downwards it's like stochastic RSI Finso, right? Inverse Finso transformation I used with stochastic RSI and super trend. It's combination of three indicators, right? Here you will get maximum three confirmation for specific trade. I'll tell you how to enter, how to cross check, and how to uh, you know how you can check for the noise and all. Okay, fine. So let's take this first example of cell signal, which you can see here. Just a second. Here, you got a cell signal. I mainly recommend once you get a cell signal, you have to confirm the super trend signal should be in red position. Your trend line should be in the red position, and here you can see this red and green line. This line should be crossing over downwards. So these three confirmation, if matches, you have to enter for a trade from the next candle. Here you can see here you have to enter from this, and next immediate support will be your target, first target, and once you have to wait for the breakout. If it breaks the target, your next immediate support will be your second target. You can take it as a second target. So you can see up to what market has fallen, right? Almost I can say 61 points, minus 61 points you have got in this specific trade, right? Similar, let's see for buy call. Here in buy call you have to check three conditions. This line should be crossing this green line upward direction. Here you have to get buy signal and trend should be green. So here from next candle I mainly suggest for entry. So once you enter for specific trade from next candle, here next candle I'm saying because you will get cross your confirmation signal on buy, and then you can enter from a next candle and you can see up to what it has growth. So up to next candle your first target will be this one, right? 17 points. Yes, this is your first resistance zone, and once it break you can set a target to the next resistance zone, that is over here, right? So you can see 120 points you are getting. It's more than enough for continuation trade, market trade. So again you can see here sell trade is continuous going on, and from next candle I mainly suggest to entry from here. Even you can see, like, if you're getting three confirmations you can enter from a next trade, or if you get three confirmations at the same time you can enter from the same candle. Okay, so here it's not that, so you can enter from next candle. Here the trend is still continuous, as or it has already broken its support, so mostly it will test this line 0.99. You can see, you guys, right? So this is your specific super trend indicator. Let me backtest this specific strategy for you. In past this trades goes really well, all conditions as match. It's in normal candles, guys. You can use in Hekanashi as per you. Hekanashi hollow candles, all candles my indicator works. Let's go back again. 15 minute, it's 15-minute time frame of Euro USD. This call also went well. These signals went well. Here this signal also went well. You can see here you get a three confirmation, but three confirmation you're getting clear cut confirmation, or you can enter for a same candle. Why? Because it's breaking, you got a breakout on a same candle signal, and same trend is green, so you can enter from the same candle and set your targets to the next point. Okay, so again this sell call went well. Buy signal, can say it's somewhat dicey. Why? Because you can see the flat lines, flat line trend is changing, and here your signal got in between the trade. So mainly I suggest once you get a trade over here breakout, or over here, like once it curve, at that time only you have to enter for a buy signal. Before else you have to ignore this trade for safer side. Let's go back again. It's going well trades, you can see, guys. taking 1 month full trade. So here you can see all same, you are getting on a same candle. This breakout signal and trend is all on the same candle. You can see same candle. You can enter from the same candle and set your targets accordingly. It's lesser target, but less target, less profit ratio, but really good to go. Sorry guys, earning. So this is the noise you can see guys. यहाँ पे आपको here you got a like buy signal. So you have to ignore this trade. Why? Well, you have to wait for the breakout or wait for the curve. It has already breakout and in between you are getting the signal. So you have to ignore this trade. It's noise, right? So again here you can see your buy signal you got at a curve point. Sell point you are getting the buy signal. So this is your wrong confirmation trade. Noise, I can say. Fine. Okay, again this buy signal. See, for confirming this buy signal, I mainly recommend you to use ADX with this specific trade. Let me delete this support resistance zone and let me add ADX. So it will help you for detecting the sideways market so that you can trade specifically. So here you can see buy signal, but here you can see all the lines ADX, DI plus, DI minus, all the lines is below the 20 level. You can say 23 level. So it's mostly a sideways market trend, right? So you can trade it accordingly as per after getting confirmation. Sorry guys. So here your call went well. Here also your call went well. All three condition match. You can enter from same candle. Here all conditions are matched. But you can see here ADX value is downward. So somewhat it will be some lesser trend. You will get a trend. After that you can see it has given you a trend by signal. Fine. So So here you can see all three condition as matched. So you can enter for trade from same candle and set your targets to the next support zone for short position. Again here you can see this is a noise. Why it's a noise? So here you got a sell signal, this trend, but this specific line is here below. For sell signal, the line should be upward direction and here or upward direction. It should be downward direction. Sorry, like this. Here got a signal in between the buy call. You have to ignore this trade. Okay, I hope you're getting my point and understanding my indicator. Now let's go to the end. So this specific indicator comes with support, resistance, buy sell signals, minimum 3 confirmations. I use ADX together to get extra confirmation for sideways market. Okay, fine. So I hope this video has been clear to you, and mainly like all my indicators work on all time frame. You can use for any time frame. Even you can use for any market which is based on TradingView charts. You can use for crypto, forex, index, stocks, commodity, all the market I can say. Okay, fine. Still, if you have any confusion, you will find my number over here downwards. You can see. You can call on my number. You can WhatsApp me or call me. Whatever doubts you have. If you have any confusion, if you want to buy my indicator, you can WhatsApp me on my number. Fine. And next, like if you like my video, if you like my indicator performance, hit the like button. You can subscribe. You can share my indicator performance to your colleagues, friends, right? So I more motivation I will be getting, more performance indication I'll be getting, more motivation I will be making more videos. Okay, so more videos. I mainly focus on learning part. The more learning you do, the more earning you will be doing in future, right? So mainly I focus for earning and learning both, right? First learning and then earning. So you can see my performance of the indicator. Any doubts, feel free to call. Okay, I hope mostly all the doubts are clear. When to enter, when to exit, and when how to reduce noise, how to I can say select the noise. I hope you have clear all the doubts. Okay, fine guys. Thanks for your support and thank you. Again, thank you guys.